Good afternoon, students. In today's session, I'm going to discuss about how we are going to convert this regular expression to finite automata. In previous session also, we discussed how we are going to convert this regular expression to finite automata. In this session, I will give two more examples how we are going to construct the finite automata from the given regular expression. Here, before going to start this session, I would like to recall the previous session class. Here, uh, when we are going to convert this regular expression to finite automata, we have to perform three steps. Step one is we have to convert this regular expression to NFA with epsilon modes. In step 2, we are going to convert this NFA with epsilon modes to without epsilon modes. In third step, we are going to convert this NFA to DFA. These three steps we have to follow while we are going to convert this regular expression to finite automata, right? Here there are this some basic regular expressions are there. If any regular expression is r equals to epsilon, then here we are having the q naught is the initial state and q naught is the final state. Here if r equals to pi, then q naught is the initial state, that's it. Next is if r equals to a, in that particular case we are having only one q1 is there, then one edge, that particular edge is going to indicated by a, then the final state. Concatenation, here a comma b, a b is there, a b is the concatenation of two strings. In that particular case, just we have to take here q naught, then a, then q2, then epsilon, then q3, then b, then qf. So this is the NFA with epsilon modes. NFA without epsilon modes, directly we can take a comma b, right? This is the union means plus a plus b. In that particular case, we have to use here one q1 to q1 to q2, here a and b is there, or else here in q1 uh, with epsilon modes, q naught epsilon epsilon q1 m a, q2 b, q2 q3 and epsilon comma epsilon. This is the NFA with epsilon modes, right? Next is the epsilon closure. In epsilon closure, here closure is there. In the particular closure, here directly we have to take this self loop if we are not going to use any NFA without epsilon modes. If we are going to take NFA with epsilon modes, q naught epsilon q1 m q1, this is a, then epsilon epsilon qf final state. These are the fundamental rules we have to follow while we are going to convert this regular expression to finite automata. In last class, I explained how we are going to construct the regular expression 0, 1 star plus 1. How we are going to construct the finite automata for the given regular expression 0, 1 star plus 1. In this here, today we will solve the previous question. Uh, in external examination, what type of questions they are going to ask, such type of questions we are going to solve here in this. Here I'll take one example. This is very important example is there. Here uh, a plus b whole star, a plus b whole star, then a plus b plus a plus b whole star. Just we have to construct the finite automata. We have to construct the finite automata for the given regular expression a plus b whole star, a plus b plus a plus b whole star. Now yeah, how we are going to construct this one? See, here, this is the concatenation, right? This is the concatenation. Here, this is one state. Here, this is one state, right? This is one. This is second one. This is third one, right? For example, if I am going to take this is M1, M2, M3, M1, M2, M3. See here, this one, how we are going to perform the concatenation. Say here q naught m1 q naught m1 q2 epsilon qy m2 final state. In the same way, here I'm going to take here q naught next. See, a plus b whole star, a plus b whole star, next q1 next epsilon, next q2, next AA plus BB, next q3, next epsilon, q4, next A plus B whole star, then q, then qf, then qf. This is the final state. This is the final state. Q naught A plus B whole star, then epsilon AA plus BB, epsilon, then A plus B whole star. Now we have to solve this equation one by one. For example, in first case, I am going to solve these two equations. I am going to solve these two. Right? How we are going to solve these two? See here. This is epsilon closure, A plus B closure, right? Epsilon closure means here, see here, epsilon closure. See Q naught, epsilon, Q1, this is M1, M1 means A plus B, then again epsilon, epsilon is there. This is the transition diagram for epsilon closure, right? Now we are going to write this one. So Q naught, right? Epsilon, Q naught, epsilon, then Q naught, epsilon, here Q1, right? Here my epsilon closure is A plus B na, A plus B, A plus B, then Q3, then epsilon, Q4, right? This is, see, so A plus B, epsilon, next is here, right? Now A plus B is there, right? We will leave these things. First we have to solve this one, A plus B, right? Again A plus B is the union of two string, union of two string, A plus B. Check this one, A plus B. See here, this is A plus B. Here this is the transition diagram for A plus B, Q naught, epsilon, epsilon, Q1, Q2, M1, M2, Q2, Q3, epsilon, epsilon. This is the union. See here in this example also we are having the union, A plus B. A plus B means this is the union, A plus B means this is the union. So we have to perform this one. So Q naught, right, epsilon, Q1. Now I am going to perform the A plus B. I am going to perform A plus B. Epsilon, epsilon, Q2, A, Q3, B, right? Next Q4, Q5, at epsilon, epsilon. Next is Q6. Next is Q6, right? Yeah. From these two here, from these two, this is the case, right? This is Q6. So A plus B, this is A plus B. Now see here, here epsilon is there, so I'm going to take the epsilon here. I'm going to take this epsilon here, epsilon, all right. This is my epsilon move, right? Again from here to here we have to take the epsilon, right? Again epsilon is there, epsilon, Q7. So here epsilon, right? This is Q7. Up to here completed. Every arc is having single token, single symbol, ARB. See here, ARB. This is A plus B whole star. This is A plus B whole star. Up to here completed. Now go for the next one. Go for the, here epsilon move is there, so I'm going to write here epsilon. I will change the pen here. I'll take green. Epsilon. Now I am going to solve this equation, q2 to q3. So AA plus BB. AA plus BB means, here plus means this is the union. Plus is union. So I am going to take here q7. Here epsilon is there. Now it is q8. So q8. Now that is the union now. So epsilon, 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 epsilon. Here you have to draw the complete thing here. Here I'll draw here. Don't stop this one. Epsilon q5 AA plus BB q6 epsilon q7 A plus B whole star, then QF final state, QF final state. Now here Q8 here. Now we are solving this one now. Q5 to Q6. Epsilon, epsilon, Q9. So this is AA, Q10. This is BB, Q11, Q12, epsilon, epsilon, Q13. Right, epsilon, epsilon, Q13. Right, up to here clear. AA plus BB. Then here we have to draw the same thing, epsilon, and then Q8. Here you have to write this one, epsilon Q14 A plus B whole star, then QF. You have to draw this complete thing, right? Up to here clear? No. Now again we are having AA. Again we are having AA and BB. This is the concatenation. This is the concatenation. So I am going to draw the same thing here. Up to here same, right? No, up to here same. Next here from Q8 you have to draw this one. Here I don't have this space, that's the reason I am not drawing. I am not going to draw this here. Then here directly I am writing from Q8, Q8, here epsilon, epsilon, right, Q9, AA. AA is the concatenation. AA is the concatenation. See this one, AA is the concatenation, M1 epsilon M2. So directly we are going to write here Q9 A, Q10 epsilon, Q11 A, Q12. Right, here from these two, right, up to here completed. Then followed by the epsilon, followed by the epsilon Q13, followed by the epsilon Q13. Here Q14, right, same, B, Q15 epsilon, Q16, right, B, Q17 epsilon. Right, up to here clear? Now here up to here completed. Now we have to add A plus B whole star. Already we have added this A plus B whole star now. So here same thing, here we are going to repeating the same thing. Just here I am going to draw the complete thing. I'll repeat. I'll delete this one. I'll take the full canvas, right? Up to here clear now? Now my question is, a plus b whole star, a plus bb. Now I'll draw the complete solution for this one, right? First we have to start from q naught, right? Here q naught, here a plus b whole star is there. A plus b whole star means here how you are going to take this a plus b whole star. So first you have to take in this format q naught epsilon q1, q naught epsilon q1 epsilon q2 a epsilon q3 b q4 q5 epsilon q6, right? Epsilon q6, then here epsilon, then epsilon q7, then epsilon q7, from here to here epsilon transition is there, from here to here epsilon transition is there, again from here to here epsilon transition is there, from here epsilon transition is there. This is the a plus b whole star, this is the a plus b whole star, right? Next is you have to move to this one, a plus b b, yeah, epsilon q8, again epsilon q9 q10 a q11 epsilon q12 a q13, right? Next is epsilon q14, right? This is b q15 epsilon q16 b q17 epsilon. This is a plus b, this is a plus b. Now it is going to forward to this one. Here I'm going to take from here, there is no space now, that's the reason here I am taking here epsilon here, q17 means q18, again q18, epsilon q19 epsilon q20, this is a q21 epsilon q22 a, then q23 q23, um, sorry, a, this is not a na, a plus b na, that's it. A, epsilon a, next is this is a epsilon, this is epsilon, right? Here also epsilon Q22 B Q23 epsilon Q24 and then epsilon QF final state. Here from here to final state you are having one arc, from here to here you are having one arc, so we are having one arc. So here to solve this type of equations, you have to do more and more practice, then only you are going to you are able to solve this type of equations. These are very very important questions. You are going to get this type of questions in LAQ. This is very very important question, 10 marks question is there. This is now here, this is the NFA with epsilon moles. This is the NFA, this is the NFA with epsilon moles. This is the NFA with epsilon moles. Now I am going to, this is the first step is completed. After first step, what is my step 2? My step 2 is conversion of NFA to conversion of this NFA to DFA, conversion of this, sorry, conversion of this NFA with epsilon moles to without epsilon moles. By seeing this one here, is it possible to find out the epsilon closure for this NFA with epsilon moles? No, it is very difficult to find out the epsilon closure for this 25 to 30 states. So directly by seeing this diagram, transition diagram, we can find out the NFA without epsilon mole. See here, this is A plus B whole star. How we are going to solving this equation? This is A plus B whole star. A plus B whole star means that is the star closure. So directly here, just I am giving the direct explanation. So Q naught A plus B whole star na. So A comma B. See here, from here up to here, initial state to here, what is this one? Closure is there. Closure means self loop. So A plus B whole star is there. From here epsilon, here A symbol is there, here B symbol is there. From here this is up to here only Q naught A comma B. Now epsilon A is there. So shall I write this one A, right? Now see here, A, epsilon B. So epsilon B, right? By seeing the transition diagram, we can draw the uh, NFA without epsilon moles. See here, A, then epsilon. Then for this state, continuation is again A. So I am going to take this A. See here. Again for this state continuation B. One more state is there, B. See here, for this A and B I am getting the same state. For this A and B I am reaching the same state. I am reaching the same state. That's the reason here I am going to take Q3, right? Q3. By seeing this, see here, from A to A I am reaching this state, from B to B I am reaching the same state, from A to A we are reaching the same state, from B to B we are reaching the same state, right? After this again A plus B whole star is there. Here star closure is there. So here in this state only I am going to write A comma B, right? Final state is there. So by using the closure I am getting the final state. So here I am going to write this Q3 only final state. By seeing the transition diagram, we are going to draw this NFA without epsilon moles. NFA without epsilon moles. Use some common sense, then easily you can draw this one, right? Here A plus B whole star is there, self flow. From this one epsilon A is there. That's the reason directly I am taking this A. Here epsilon B is there, B. From this B to B is there, again B to B is there. From A to A is there, A to A is there. Here from B, from B we are reaching the same state. So that's the reason we are taking Q3 state. Again self loop is there, A plus B whole star is there, A plus B whole star, right? With this NFA without epsilon moles. Now we are going to convert this NFA without epsilon moles to DFA. How we are going to convert this one? Here I am going to draw this one. A plus B whole star, sorry, A plus B whole star, A plus BB, A plus B whole star, right? In this case, here Q naught A comma B, here A B Q naught Q1 A Q2 B Q3. This is the final state, A comma B, right? Now we have to convert this NFA with NFA without epsilon moves to uh, DFA. This is step 3. How we are going to convert this? Step 3, NFA without epsilon moves to DFA, right? Here first we have to write the transition table. For this one. Here 0 1. How many states are there? Here Q naught, right? Initial state, Q naught is the initial state. Then Q1, Q2, Q3. Q3 is the final state, right? Q3 is the final state, right? Q naught, Q1, Q2, Q3. Q naught on 0. Q naught on 0 is Q naught. Q naught on 0 is Q naught and Q1. Q naught on 1, sorry, this is A. Sorry, A, B. Q naught on A, Q naught and Q1. Q naught on B, Q naught, Q2, right? Q1 on A, Q3. Q1 on B, null. Q2 on A, null. Q2 on B, Q3. Q3 on A, Q3. Q3 on B, Q3. This is my transition table for the NFA without epsilon moves. Now here, while we are going to convert this NFA to DFA, just how we are going to convert this? Whenever we are going to get any new state, we are going to solve this equation. So we are going to construct the table, right? Now, yeah. A, B is there. So I am going to start with the initial state Q naught on A, Q naught Q1, Q naught on B, Q naught Q2. These two are the new states, so we have to solve this one. Q naught Q1, Q naught Q2. Q naught on A, Q naught on A, Q naught Q1, Q1 on A, Q3, Q1 on A, Q3, Q naught on B, Q naught Q2, Q naught Q2, Q1 on B, pi, right? Q naught Q1 Q3, Q naught Q2. Q naught Q2 is already there, so this is the new state. So Q naught Q1 Q3, right? Q naught on here, Q naught on 0, Q naught Q1, Q naught Q1, Q2 on 1, pi. Next, Q naught on B, Q naught Q2, Q naught Q2, Q2 on B, Q3, right? Q3. Here, Q naught Q1 is already there, Q naught Q2 Q3 is there. This is the new state for this one. We have to find out the transition. We have to find the transition for this one. Q naught on A, Q naught Q1, Q naught Q1, Q1 on A, Q3, Q1 on A, Q3, right? Q3 on A, Q3. So already Q3 is there. Now Q naught on B, Q naught Q2, Q naught on B is Q naught Q2, Q1 on B by Q3 on B, Q3 on B, Q3, Q3 and B is Q3. Say Q0, Q1, Q3. Q0, Q1, Q3 is already present. No need to write the no need to find out the transaction for Q0, Q1, Q3. Next is Q0, Q2, Q3 is there. Q0, Q2, Q3 means already here we are finding the Q0, Q2, Q3. Now we have to find the transaction for Q0, Q2, Q3. Q0 on A, Q0 on A, Q0, Q1, Q2 on A by Q3 on A, Q3. Right? Q0 on B, Q0, Q2, Q0, Q2, Q2 on B, Q3, Q3 on B, Q3. So Q0, Q1, Q3, Q0, Q1, Q3 already we got the transaction. Q0, Q2, Q3 already we got the transaction. So we have to stop the process. This is our DFA. This is our DFA for this given regular expression. This is our DFA for the given regular expression. Now we have to draw the transaction diagram. How we are going to draw the transaction diagram? How many here? For this one, which one is the initial state? Q0 is the initial state. So Q0 is the initial state. It is going to indicated by this arrow mark. Now Q3 is there. Wherever the Q3 is there, that particular state becomes the final state. So Q0, Q1, Q3 is one final state. Here Q0, Q2, Q3 is the final state. In these two cases, we are having the final state. That's the reason we are having the Q3 state. That's the reason we are going to declare these two are the final state. So these two are the final state. Now I have to draw this transaction diagram for this one. See, here I am going to draw this one. First is Q0. Next is this is Q0. How many states are there we are having? Next is Q0, Q1. Next is Q0, Q1. Next is Q0, Q1. Next is Q0, Q2. Q0, Q2. Next is Q0, Q1, Q3. Right, this is the final state, so we have to use the double circle. Right, next is Q0, Q2, Q3. So this is the final state, we have to use the double circle. Right, Q0 on A, Q0, Q1. Q0 on A, Q0, Q1. Q0 on B, Q0, Q2. Q0 on B, Q0, Q2. Q0 on Q1, Q0, Q1, Q3. Q0, Q1, Q3. Next is Q0, Q1 on B, Q0, Q2. Right? This is B. Q2, Q1 on A. This is A. Q0, you are getting Q0, Q1. Next is Q0, Q2, Q3. B. Q0, Q1, Q2. Next is Q0, Q1 self loop. This is A. Here Q2, B. Here Q0, Q2, Q3 and here Q0, Q1, Q3. So this is A, Q0, this is B. This is the FAD. This is the finite automata for this given regular expression. This is the 10-mark question. This is very important question, right? Here, with this, I conclude this topic. In next session, we are going to start the new topic, or else we are going to solve one more problem. Right? Thank you.